The SoundPeats Air5 Lite is one of those budget wireless earbuds that makes you wonder how they managed to pack so much into such an affordable package. Priced at just $35 and even less with discounts, these earbuds aim to give you a taste of premium features without breaking the bank. The first thing you'll notice about the SoundPeats Air5 Lite is how much it looks like the Apple AirPods. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The design is sleek and minimalistic, exactly what you'd expect from a pair of wireless earbuds in 2025. But don't let the AirPods-like appearance fool you. The Air5 Lite has its own personality, especially with that matte black finish and the subtle gray accent band around the charging case. The charging case is compact and lightweight, and it's got a smooth, almost velvety texture that feels nice to the touch. And the lid snaps shut with a satisfying click. No flimsy hinges here. This case feels solid and well built. On the front, there's a small LED indicator for battery status. At the bottom, you'll find a USB-C charging port and a pairing button. Around the back, there's a subtle SoundPeats logo embossed into the hinge. Now, let's talk about the earbuds themselves. They're lightweight, weighing just 4.47 grams each. The design is a mix of glossy and matte finishes, with a bronze strip running down the stem that doubles as the touch control area. The earbuds are stem style, just like the AirPods, which means they sit comfortably in your ears without going too deep into the ear canal. This design is great for people who don't like the feeling of silicone ear tips pressing into their ears, but it might not be for everyone. Especially if you have smaller ears or if you're always on the move, you might find that they don't stay put as securely as you'd like. That said, for most people, the fit should be just fine. One thing worth mentioning is the IPX5 water resistance rating. This means the Air5 Lite can handle sweat, light rain, and the occasional splash. Just don't go swimming with them. Let's jump to connectivity because it's have Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest and greatest in Bluetooth tech, at least for now. What does that mean for you? Well, it means faster pairing, a more stable connection, and better range. One of the standout features of the Air5 Lite is dual-device multi-point connectivity. This means you can connect the earbuds to two devices at the same time, like your phone and your laptop or tablet, and switch between them without having to manually disconnect and reconnect. There's just one catch. If you're using LDAC, you can't use dual device mode. LDAC is a high-res audio codec that requires a lot of bandwidth, so it only works when the earbuds are connected to a single device. Speaking of LDAC, which is a high-res audio codec developed by Sony. If you're not familiar, LDAC allows for much higher quality audio streaming compared to the standard SBC or AAC codecs. If you love tinkering with settings and customizing your gadgets, you're going to love the SoundPeats app. This little app is like the command center for your Air5 Lite earbuds, with a clean and straightforward interface. The homepage shows your connected earbuds, along with their battery levels for both the earbuds and the case, and giving you control over everything from dual device connection and dynamic bass to game mode and movie mode. There are 9 preset EQ options to choose from, including bass boost, treble boost, and SoundPeats Classic. These presets are great if you're not sure where to start, or you can create your own custom EQ using the 8-band equalizer. There's also an adaptive EQ feature, which is pretty cool. It's not perfect, but it's a neat way to personalize your listening experience. The Air5 Lite comes with touch controls out of the box, but the app lets you customize them for different functions: single taps, double taps, and long presses on each earbud. Gamers and movie buffs, you'll appreciate the game mode and movie mode options. Game mode reduces latency to just 18 milliseconds, which means the audio stays perfectly in sync with the action on your screen. Movie mode works similarly, reducing latency for smoother video playback. Let's get straight to the point. The SoundPeats Air5 Lite delivers sound quality that's way better than you'd expect from a pair of $35 earbuds. It has a V-shaped sound signature, which means the bass and treble are emphasized while the mids are slightly recessed. The bass is punchy and energetic, though it doesn't go super deep. If you're a bass head, you might find it a little lacking in the sub-bass department, but for most people, it's more than enough to get your head nodding. The mids are clear and detailed, though they take a bit of a backseat to the bass and treble. Vocals and instruments still come through nicely, but they don't have the same forward presence as you'd get with a more neutral sound profile. The treble is bright and crisp, adding a nice sparkle to the sound without being harsh or sibilant. One of the standout features of the Air5 Lite is the dynamic bass setting, which you can toggle on or off in the SoundPeats app. When enabled, it gives the bass a noticeable boost, making it warmer and more powerful. It's not going to rattle your skull, but it adds a nice thump to your music that's perfect for bass-heavy tracks. The soundstage is decent for a pair of budget earbuds. It's not going to give you that immersive surround sound experience you'd get from high-end over-ear headphones, but it's still pretty good for earbuds in this price range. Moving to call quality and noise cancellation, SoundPeats Air5 Lite has a 4-microphone system with 2 mics in each earbud. In quiet environments like your home or office, the call quality is pretty good. Your voice comes through clearly, and the person on the other end of the line shouldn't have any trouble understanding you. However, things get a bit trickier in noisier environments. If you're outside on a windy day or in a crowded cafe, the mics struggle to block out all the background noise. While the AI noise cancellation does help reduce some of the ambient sounds, it's not perfect. You'll still hear some wind noise or chatter in the background, and your voice might sound a bit muffled at times. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not the best I've experienced. That said, ENC is only active during calls. It doesn't do anything to block out noise while you're listening to music or watching videos. The Air5 Lite offers 6 hours of playback on a single charge, which is pretty standard for earbuds in this price range. If you're using features like LDAC or game mode, the battery life might drop slightly, but not by much. The charging case adds an extra 24 hours of battery life, bringing the total to 30 hours. That's enough to last you through a few days. One of the standout features of the Air5 Lite is its fast charging capability. Just 15 minutes of charging will give you 3 hours of playback without having to wait around for a full charge. After spending some serious time with the SoundPeats Air5 Lite, it's clear that these earbuds are a fantastic value for $35. They're not perfect, no budget earbuds are, but they deliver a lot of features and performance that you'd typically only find in much more expensive models. The sound quality is impressive for the price. The LDAC support is a huge bonus for high-res audio. The battery life is solid with the fast charging feature, and the SoundPeats app adds even more value, giving you control over everything. Sure, there are a few downsides. The bass could be deeper, the noise cancellation could be better, and the fit might not suit everyone. But for $35, it's hard to complain too much. You can grab the SoundPeats Air5 Lite from Amazon, AliExpress, or the official SoundPeats store. If you're looking for the best deal, AliExpress is a great option. Just use the discount code SALE3333 at checkout to save $3, bringing the price down to just $32. All links are in the description. Peace.